Hey guys, this is a new hardware wallet called Decent, and this is you just have to unbox it. Make sure once you receive it, there is a seal attached. If you don't have that seal, that means you can send it back. Let's see, we're gonna open it. Comes with welcome card. This is how you install the app on your smartphone, and if you need firmware update, you can do that. There's 2 recovery seats. This is when you set up your hardware wallet, you need to save recovery seats in here. So there's 2 sets of recovery seats, and this is the device and the USB cable, instructions how to use it. It tells you temperature, mentions country of origin. It's made in Korea. This is your hardware right there. Decent companies called IO Trust. The reason I ordered this hardware wallet is if you use hardware wallet, typically Ledger Nano, what happens is if you know you have that hardware wallet, Ledger Nano, it is you have to enter the PIN, which is basically you have 2 buttons at the top, and then if you have like a big finger, I don't know, I have a tiny finger, so I can use it to. You have to use simultaneously both buttons to select the numbers for your PIN number. So the screen is locked, you're trying so you need to do is type that PIN number again, and it's just really cumbersome to connect that PIN number and use the 2 buttons on the top to select it from, and then use the 2 buttons in here in the screen, next to the screen. Double tap is to select it, just like select the number and then you double tap it. It's just crazy. The second thing is, whenever you do hardware update on Ledger Nano or firmware update, what happens is you lose all your wallets. So what you have to do is you need to start adding all the accounts back in. This is not the case here in Decent Wallet. I'll be putting out a separate video how to set this up and how to use Decent Wallet. And other thing is, it is XTC wallet. I have to use for XTC token. I have to use a third-party website to log in and use Ledger Nano. The Decent Wallet is inbuilt. It comes with inbuilt XTC wallet in here, so you don't need to go to third-party website. You can save all your XTC tokens on Decent Wallet. So that's a quick intro on Decent Wallet. If you like this unboxing, like and subscribe my channel.